Hey everybody, in this box is some sample books of Dub Dogs straight from the publisher. So we're going to open this up and take a look. And I have my Dub Dogs right here. There's Benny, he's being a little shy, and Gracie being even more shy. So we're going to take a look and see what we got. Benny's giving it the sniff test. Oh. Gracie wants a closer look. Alright, I got some bubble wrap. Here we go. Oh, they are shrink wrapped. So they are tight. I'm going to have to turn this over. See if I can come out this way. I'm going to have to cut off the bottom and push them through. What do you think, Gracie? Alright. There we go. I got 4 copies. I'm going to cut this plastic off carefully. Set these over here and just pull out one. There it is. Dub Dogs. Hardcover, 8.5 by 11. It's 120 pages. Looks pretty good. Satin finish on the cover. Spine looks good. Hopefully you can see that there. Gracie likes it. Pardon me, I'm just gonna look through it for the very first time. I'm kind of nervous. Wow. It took a long time to get here, so wow. This is 4 years of work that went into getting this book onto this table and into my hands and ultimately into your hands. So, yeah. So, there's a little sneak peek. Here's my guys. There's Gracie and Benny, who you just met a minute ago. So Dub Dogs features dogs and their Volkswagens together. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. But it's not just photos. We also have some original artwork by Stovepipe from the Rusty DW. We have some photos that fans from around the world have submitted. Yeah, this Benny drinks some water over here. You might hear that. Here's some photos from people from around the country and around the world. Each dog photo has their name, their age, what breed they are, who the owners are, and some information about each dog. included is some quotes and some dog poetry, some travel poetry. I do have some photos from different shows, just some dogs that I saw at shows that I don't necessarily have info for, but just some fun dog photos. And we have some a whole chapter devoted to vintage photos of dub dogs, which includes some old advertising and other fun vintage photos as well. So yeah, it's 120 pages, and it took over 4 years to put together. So it's Dub Dogs, a portrait study of a Volkswagen owner's best friend. And I hope you like it. I think it turned out good. So there it is. What do you think, Gracie? She decided to take a nap on my lap, which is pretty much her main job. And Benny's running around here somewhere. Who knows? But there it is. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you later.